Welcome back to Oathbound Gaming. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different on this channel. This channel is supposed to cover tech and gaming. This kind of falls under tech. This is a cryptocurrency. For the first time ever, we're going to be covering one. Now, before we go anywhere, I'm just going to explain a little bit, real quick, why this one's unique, why I'm even bothering to talk about Pi. So, Pi is a new crypto. It is currently worth nothing. But hear me out. You can mine this thing on your phone. And you can do so without taking any of your battery on your phone or any of your network data. And it's true, I've already tested it. I'm going to show you a little bit more than what this website shows you. I'm going to talk a little bit about it, the ups and downs of it, and give you honest information about this and why you may or may not want to even get into this. So, the goal of this video is to send you on one of three paths. These three paths is one. Path number one is you decide this isn't for me. I'm not interested in crypto at all. I'm not interested in it. It's just not for me. Cool, that's fine, I understand that. Path number two, you decide you want to do a little bit more research on your own before getting into it. That's just fine, I applaud that, I think that's awesome. And path number three is, I'm good, this is good enough for me, I'm in. Let me get into this. One of your three paths. Whatever you choose, I support you. I think that's cool. Be an individual, decide for yourself what you want to do. So, let me just get into this and talk about why I wanted to get into this. I've been in the crypto world. I've done my mining, my GPU mining, actually I've never owned an ASIC miner, but I've done, video card mining and stuff. I've bought crypto, sold crypto, I've done all that. And some of the things they talk about is actually true. Crypto mining is hard, that's not true. Investing in crypto is risky, yeah, it definitely is. And that's one of the cool things. You don't have to spend a dime. You don't need to go out and buy multiple phones so you can mine on multiple phones. That's not even possible. They don't let you do that. And if you do mine on multiple phones, they will ban all your accounts. They'll lock all your accounts. And there's a Reddit for this, and people are already complaining that that is happening to them. So I think that's good, So there's no like, oh, let me go buy a ton of cheap phones so I can mine on it. You don't have to worry about doing that. You can take the phone you have now and mine on it. And again, there's no battery drain, there's no network data usage. That is the truth. So let me show you something real quick on how this is going to work. So they do have an app. You can do it on Android or iOS, and it looks just like that. I recorded a video on my phone, and I'm going to hit play here. So this is what the app looks like when you open it. And at the top here is going to be the amount of Pi you have currently, and you'll see it's ticking up because it's currently mining. On this side here on the right, I'm going to pause the video real quick. Let me full screen that. On the right side here, this is your most important stuff. If you're not mining, this will be white and it'll be blank. There'll be no number here. And that'll be like it'll be highlighted a little bit. It'll say, hey, tap here to start mining. And you'll tap there and hit mine and it'll start mining. And now it'll mine for 24 hours. Then you need to open the app again and start the mine again. Every 24 hours. Now, the app does not have to be running. You can start the mine and close it. Once you start mining, it'll run for 24 hours and you're good to go. You'll get a notification that says, hey, you need to start mining again. When you start mining, an ad plays. They do make money off ads in their app. So that's a little bit of a thing people don't like. Me personally, I don't mind. I don't mind. Heck, I've made money off ads off like YouTube videos. It's like I like pennies in my bucket, right? Like pennies in my wallet. I make like nearly nothing. But I understand ads. I understand why people do it. It's a little weird for cryptocurrency to be doing it, but whatever. Two, there is a bit of a pyramid type of system. I won't call it a pyramid scheme because a pyramid scheme to me means I buy something, you buy something from me, and then you sell others, you sell the same product to other people, and I make money off the sale to you, and then everyone else you sold to. I'm making money from everything, right? You're like my underling. This has a system like that, but none of us is spending a dime. No one spends a penny, no one spends anything on this at all, but if you invite people, you will mine at a higher rate. Now, if you're going to get into Pi at all, do it sooner rather than later because they have a phase system. And the phase system, we're in like phase 1 right now. I'm going to pause this right here real quick. Let me back it up 1 second. We're in phase 1 right now. That's before it has any value at all or anything, you're mining at a higher rate. You're earning at a higher rate than people that get in later. So if you get in now, you'll earn a little bit more than people that get in later, right? So if you're going to get into it, definitely do it sooner rather than later. I will have an invite thing. Again, you can decide whether or not you want to do this. I will have an invite link down below, which gets both of us things. Like I said, if I invite you, I earn more. You earn more just for accepting my invite, and you can invite other people. You don't have to use my invite link. If you decide, screw this guy, I don't want to support him, and I'd rather just get into the app myself. Cool app, I'm going to get into it, but I'm not going to use his referral. That's fine. That's okay. You can even leave it in the comments saying, I did it and I didn't use your referral. Whatever. Fine. That's okay. But I just hope I help you find something cool. Now, again, like I said, I think I said it at the beginning of this video, this is worth nothing right now. It's got no value. But eventually it's going to be on exchanges and you will be able to sell it. It might be 10 cents each. Right now you see at the top I have 261. I've been doing it for like a month. A little over a month maybe. 10 cents each it could be. Or it could be less than that. It could be 5 cents. Who knows? This might be worth next to nothing for some time and it could increase. Who knows? But I'm not going to say you're going to get rich, right? I'm not going to say that. But you could mine for a year and find yourself with $100, $200 or something just by tapping a thing every day. I mean, if that's too much for you, that's fine. I understand that, but heck, I'll take a couple extra $100 just for doing that. If it even adds up to that, who knows? But anyway, let's continue. I'm going to tap that little menu at the top left here, and it's going to pop open this. Now, this isn't all that important. But it does have some useful information that some people might like to see. A white paper goes really in depth on how the system functions, how it works, and really, really what it is at its core. Like how this system functions, how Pi actually works. And then, of course, it's got all additional information if you want to check it out. There's a chat. You can chat with other people in the app. If you'd like to ask questions there, you certainly can. Or if you're confused at all and you want to leave your questions in the comments or join my Discord and ask me there, that's fine. I'll answer any questions I can. This next screen appears when I tap this. I'm going to tap the mining button here, but since I'm already mining, a button won't pop up to mine. But this is what it looks like on mine. Yours is going to look different, obviously, because you're going to just be starting out. Now, we're a pioneer. If you get in now, you're considered a pioneer. So you're earning at 0.10 pioneer. I mean, jeez, 0.10 pi, because you're a pioneer. 0.10 pi per hour. That's what you're going to be earning. Now, a contributor is a little different. You can edit your security circle, and it helps, how do I word this? Secure the network. And it's using your, I don't know if I should say phone, it's because it's not really true. It's using your Pi account, not necessarily your phone, not like data on your phone or anything of the sort. It's using your Pi account to help secure the network. And again, how that white paper goes into detail how this system works. And I'm comfortable enough. I do care about my security, my data security. Like I care about that type of stuff. I'm comfortable enough that I can say this is not a security risk or any risk of your data or anything like that. They don't do that. Do read the white paper if you're ever curious about that, like the in-depth systems behind Pi and how it functions. Ambassador here, this is where you invite your people. You want to invite people here, you tap this, you can get a link to invite people to join your network. And then we're all earning more by creating almost like a team. So I have 10 active members right now, and 3 are inactive and they're not mining. They're not mining right now, but you see I'm earning an additional 0.49 pi per hour for a total of 0.69 down here. So 0.49, 0.10, 0.10. I'm getting 0.69 pi per hour, you see at the very bottom there. Now watch, I'm just going to hit play here. When I tap in ping inactive, I'm going to tap ping inactive. Watch this. It should pop up any second now in the video. I hope. Oh, and you can see the Pi increasing at the top. You take a look here. You see it trickling in a little bit. But ping inactive. Okay, so I tapped it. I'm going to pause here. So every 24 hours, you can ping the people that are not mining. They're like, they forgot to start their mining. You can send a message and say, hey, buddy, you're not mining, buddy. Go ahead and tap your little mining thing. And obviously there's incentive for me to let my people know, hey, go mine, because if they're mining, I earn more, and you, like I said, you kind of build a team, and you remind each other to mine. You can remind me, and we just keep mining. And with that kind of feature and team effort, like, you can really mine all year without forgetting. You know, because without that reminder, without that ping, it's probably easy to forget for like a week or two on end, you know, like not even mining, and that would suck, right? That's wasted effort, that's lost potential revenue, we'll call it. So I do like that reminder. I do like that feature exists. I'm gonna go ahead and close out my video here and just go back to the site. There's some interesting stuff here about how there's like if you want to develop for Pi, that's probably ahead of that's way ahead of my skill base here, and then Pi SDK. If you're interested in that type of stuff, that is available there. And then the FAQ, I highly recommend coming to this is minepi.com. This is their official site. Come to the site and look at the FAQ and at least read this. At least read it. It's got some useful information. It's very easy to read. Is Pi a scam? Pi is not a scam. Obviously, this is the creator of it saying that, but it really is not a scam. They're not taking any of your stuff. It is true that it's not a scam. Take a look at this. As ambassador, you earn 25% of your base mining rate bonus for each person you invite to the network. So again, there's incentive to invite people. Early members mine at a higher rate to reward contributions to the network when they are most needed. So, value of Pi. Today, Pi is worth approximately $0. It's got no value right now. So you're getting in early. It might be worth 1 cent. It might be worth 10 cents. It might be worth 50 cents one day. I don't know. No one really knows. If anyone's telling you it's going to be worth $1, they're speaking from nothing. They have nothing to back that up. No one can possibly say that. You can't withdraw your Pi yet. But anyway, guys, this is here. I just wanted to shed some information on this. Hopefully this is something that you're like, hey, you know, I'll hop in on that. And if not, that's cool too. Just let me know what you think in the comments, whether or not you're gonna hop on it, whether it's not for you. Even if it's not for you, let me know in the comments. Why is it not for you? I'm definitely interested in hearing about that. Well, that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. In my description down below will be my referral for Pi. If you want to use it, cool. If not, that's okay too. But thank you very much for watching. I will definitely catch you guys in the next video, whether it'll be a gaming video, probably, or more tech-related stuff. We'll see. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Skid